Well, good morning. Well, we're going to get working back on the bench for the boat, and I found this piece of plywood I had. I'm going to make the top out of that. I don't. It's not marine grade, but I think by the time I put the cushion and all that on there, that it's not going to matter. So we'll give it a try. Let's see how this goes. 16. I cut this a little big. That would be an understatement. Icky. I cut it again. Again, how much I want to leave out here. Because I want to be able to have enough I can get a hold of it to lift it. And I'm actually thinking I'm going to leave about a 3 or 4 inch strip at the back to mount my hinges to, so if there's a cushion back there it will still raise. That plywood's got a little warp in it, but I ain't gonna worry about it. It's a little big, but I might just round this. If I round that though, you know, in the boat I like to have all my corners rounded. And put that there and mount that solid. Mount that there. Well, we're getting there. I was going to use a continuous hinge on this, and I still might, but I need something that is going to fasten good, and so I might look and see what's available first, what kind of hatch opening hinges, and or maybe some of them hinges, as it opens it extends it out or something, but whatever it is going to have to be good for the marine environment, because it's going to definitely be in the salt water. Alrighty, well, here's what we look like so far. That piece of plywood's got a little bit of warp to it, but it'll straighten out. We'll see how it looks. But anyhow, that's what I had in mind. Really something that I could take in and out. But if I wanted to just go out and have a lazy day with the family, I could stick it in there, and they could relax and sit back there and whatever. Alright, that's what I got done so far.